welcome back or welcome to my channel. So it is currently Christmas morning and I have just unwrapped my gift from Josh, and the second I saw this holiday packaging I knew exactly what it was. We have been into Van Cleef recently to try on a few different pieces. He has just got himself the most amazing bracelet. It is my favorite piece of jewelry for a guy possible, and honestly he has worked so freaking hard this year. He definitely deserves it, but I was not expecting anything for myself. But of course I'm so freaking spoiled from him, and I'm very grateful to have such a loving, amazing partner. He has got me something I have had my eyes on for quite some time. You guys are always asking for unboxings on Instagram, and I don't know, I always feel like my demographic is a little bit mixed on there, so I figured I'll do one on YouTube, and if you want to watch it, you can watch it. The packaging. I might cut to the table so I can properly unbox it with like a POV situation for you. Each year Van Cleef brings out a holiday edition packaging. So not last year, the year before, I got this bracelet, and my birthday is in December, and they said because I ordered the bracelet before December, I didn't actually get the holiday packaging, so I was so disappointed. So it's been such a lovely surprise getting this morning. So inside here we have this, which is all the booklet and everything else that you need, all of the authenticity and everything. And we carry back just because. And then the main event. It's so beautiful how it's tied into the bottom like that. Are you joking? This holiday packaging is something else. Oh, I love the color as well. So much prettier than their normal green one. The classic white box. And then, oh, it's so beautiful. I'm obsessed. And it also comes with the little travel pouch as well, whereas with my mother of pearl necklace, it was during the time where they weren't actually doing these boxes, so I only got the travel pouch, and it was so sad. So I'm really stoked that I have this as well. Oh my god, she's perfect. I love her. I'm so in love with this piece. It is absolutely gorgeous. We were trying to go between the carnelian one or this one. I really like the carnelian, but after I tried them on, I think this one is just so gorgeous and timeless, and it's something that I'll have for years. I feel like the red one, being someone that never wears color, that was a terrible idea. Look at her, she's gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Merry Christmas.